Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your MacBook Air and the AirPlay receiver are on the same Wi-Fi. This is essential for discovery and low latency. Once done, check for Mac OS updates and turn on Bluetooth to improve pairing reliability. Next, open Control Center in the menu bar and select Screen Mirroring. This initiates the connection process. You're taking action immediately so the devices can see each other. Now you'll pick the correct target from the list that appears. You now choose the AirPlay target shown in the list. Pick the exact device name so you don't connect to a nearby TV. Then decide, mirror the Mac screen to duplicate content or use as separate display to extend your desktop, mirror for presentations, separate display for extra workspace. If the TV shows a code, type it into your Mac to authenticate. This prevents accidental connections. Make sure resolution and scaling look right in display settings, because that affects clarity and performance. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or close the AirPlay session in the menu bar. That cleanly returns your Mac to local display mode. Make sure audio is routed to the AirPlay device in sound settings if you need sound on the TV. Otherwise, audio stays on the Mac. If something goes wrong, first confirm same network and that Mac OS and the receiver are updated. Then restart the AirPlay device and your Mac. This single-step troubleshooting often resolves discovery and connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.